Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Bitamp account. To sign up for Bitamp account, first of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in bitamp.com and search. You will now end up in the official website for Bitamp. Go ahead and tap on the Create Account button appearing at the top right corner. You will then end up in this page from where you can easily sign up for your account by generating your own unique 12-word bitamp.com seed, or you can also generate your own private key. Choose any one option and then you will be able to see your seed phrase or private key on the next field. You can also generate a new private key by clicking on this Generate New Private Key option, which will then switch between private keys that you can sign up with. After selecting a private key, go ahead and confirm your private key by re-entering it again on the next field. You can click the copy button and then paste it inside the next field. After you are done copying down the seed phrase or private key, click on I've written down my private key, log me in. Make sure that you have copied this private key and pasted it in somewhere safe so that you can use it later on. Finally, click on I've written down my private key, log me in button, and you will then be able to end up in the home page of Bitamp. A Bitamp account is primarily for managing your Bitcoin securely, and you can store Bitcoin securely inside the account, send and receive Bitcoin, access Bitcoin from anywhere, and manage your private key. So that is how you can easily sign up and create a new account for Bitamp. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.